Hi everyone, my name is Christy. Now if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I love subscription services. So I am so excited to show you a subscription for one of my new favorite accessories, that is face masks. It's the accessory I wear the most, the accessory that I wear multiple times every day. So this is a monthly mask subscription from MRSK. So the MRSK Club is uniquely designed limited edition face masks and filters delivered to your door each month. And I love face masks now. At first I was like, I can't believe this is my life. I'm gonna be wearing face masks. And I have just completely embraced it. I love wearing a face mask, but I honestly do not have many. And I don't have many stylish ones. Like I've got those disposable ones, like the blue, you know, those ones. And I have a few fabric ones that I made back when I was sewing, but I just really need to step up my mask game. And I feel like this is the best way to do that. Also, these masks I just feel like are such great quality and they really target my mask concerns, which as a makeup wearer, it's basically staining my masks with my makeup and making sure that I have a fresh, clean mask that isn't going to make my skin break out with that maskne. So I have 2 packs here. I want to give the disclaimer that these were sent to me for free from MRSK CLUB, but this is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to share this subscription service on my channel. And so they sent me the starter pack and the monthly pack. So the starter pack is basically getting 2 for 1. So you get 2 masks for the price of 1. And before I get in, I should let you know the price. So this is a UK-based brand, and if you're purchasing in the UK, it's $9.99 with free shipping. And then to ship to the US each month, it's $17.90, including the shipping. And then Europe is $12.04, including delivery. And I also have the Canada price, which is $19.94, including delivery. And I love that they're shipped in just these little bags. So here is my starter pack, and here are my 2 masks. These definitely seem like really nice quality. And check out the inside, orange, which it's not that white material that's gonna get stained from my makeup. And then it has the triple layer, 1, 2, 3, and then you can also put the filter inside, which is really important. And how cute is this? You get a mini Spotify playlist to soundtrack your look. That is so unique and so fun. I really do love these designs. And they have the adjustable nose strip here. So, ooh, and the adjustable ear. So let's see. Great fit, super comfortable. I'll take it off so that you can hear me better, but I want to try them all on so that I can show you. But they're super comfortable, that perfect fit. I just feel like it looks so unique and artsy, and I'm gonna get so many compliments when I wear these. So you get the 2 masks and you get 4 carbon filters. And so all of the masks are reusable and machine washable. I love that, better for the environment. And then here are the filters that you put in. So the carbon filters. So here's one of the carbon filters. It has 5 layers of protection which reduce airborne particles by as much as 90%. They recommend replacing these every week when used daily. So here on the back, you can see the little pocket for the filter. So I'm just gonna place the filter in the mask. And it's perfect because you get 4 filters, you replace them once a week, and then next month you get 4 new filters. So you're always going to be protected. And then I'm just gonna put the mask on with the filter in it just to see how it looks and feels like that. And then I'm just tightening the ear. I feel so secure and protected. Love that it has the filter. My other fabric reusable masks don't have the filter, so that makes this way better in my opinion, and something that I'm definitely going to reach for instead of any of my other reusable masks. And there's no makeup. No makeup came off on it. My makeup's not even smudged. I'm gonna double check. That's awesome. Love that. I mean, when I'm wearing it for longer periods of time, I might get more makeup on the back of it, but you're not even gonna be able to tell because of the orange background. I love that. So I'm really excited about my first 2 masks, super excited about the filters. And I'm also really excited about the playlist. It's kind of sad, but I actually had to delete every single song that I had on my phone recently because I am planning to upgrade my phone, but I ran out of storage for doing my YouTube videos, and I used my phone to store the videos, and I didn't have any storage, so I deleted all of my music to make room. And now at least I can download this playlist so that I can have songs to listen to on my phone. And now I'm so excited. Let's see what I got in my monthly mask package here. So you get 4 more activated carbon filters. Oh, this one looks so beautiful. So I have my playlist on Spotify code. I'm really interested to hear the music that goes with the masks. I just think that is so fun and unique. And of course, I love that this one is pink. And wow, this is so cool, so unique, so artistic. This reminds me of some of my boyfriend's tattoos. And also I want to let you know that this is a unisex subscription. So as you can see, like, it's pink, but it's definitely not like overly girly because of all the designs on it. So I'm going to put a filter in it and then I'll try it on. I really love this one. I feel just so cool and trendy in all of these masks. So let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And what's so cool is that these are unique, limited edition. So if you see anyone else wearing these, you know that you are all in that same MRSK club, which I think is just so fun. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is Lockdown Cocktail Recipes from Sable, hot buttered rum, mulled apple and cinnamon. Little recipe card. This is so fun. Actually got a cocktail set for Christmas, so I should save this and make this hot buttered rum. Yum. Another awesome thing about MRSK Club is that they work with artists, musicians, graphic designers, illustrators, and typographers to help commission the limited edition masks. All packaging is recyclable. So I just seriously love everything about this company. They are doing so much good for the world. So not only supplying protective masks, but working with artists and creatives to create these limited edition designs, and I'm just so excited about it. So I highly recommend checking this subscription service out. I'll have the link in the description down below if you want to sign up. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.